In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable battery saver mode on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should go back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select system. And then on the right side, scroll down and select power. And then where it says power mode, click the drop down, and then for both plugged in and on battery, click the drop down again and select either balanced or best performance. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.